So welcome to my class, and in this I'm going to talk about average fixed cost. So how do we derive it? It's you take the total fixed cost, you divide it by the output produced, and what you get is average fixed cost. It is a rectangular hyperbole, and average, since total fixed cost remains the same, average fixed cost keeps on diminishing with the increase in output. So just have a look. You can see this, how the values are falling when you see the table. Okay, so average fixed cost is just that. So it is the total, so we've seen that is the total fixed cost divided by the total output produced. So in the short run, the average fixed cost falls with every increase in output. So average cost curve is a downward sloping curve as it goes on declining with the rise in output. Now, when the constant value of total fixed cost is divided by increasing units of output, the resultant average fixed cost curve would keep on declining. And the average fixed cost curve is a rectangular hyperbole because the area of all rectangles under AFC, that is average fixed cost curve, remains the same. That represents total fixed cost. So it means that the rectangle, once again, that the rectangles formed on all the points have the same area. So any rectangle that you form on that particular curve, average fixed curve, will remain the same. So this is what it is, as you see. Okay. Now the output, as output increases, average fixed cost curve approaches the x-axis nearer and nearer, but it never touches the x-axis. Why? The reason is that average fixed cost is never zero. The reason is that total fixed cost is always constant and it is positive. So also average fixed cost never touches the y-axis, because even at zero level of output, total fixed cost is a positive value. The value of average fixed cost at zero output is infinite, because total fixed cost divided by zero will give you an infinite value. So that is average fixed cost for you. So in the next class, I'm going to do average variable cost.